Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the WhiteStone dome glass for Galaxy S20 Ultra. So this is for this new Galaxy S20 Ultra phone. This is just for the front glass cover only. So inside the box here, I'm just going to open up. It is glued together at the top here. So if you are getting a box that is not glued together, just make sure that it is a genuine glass that you're getting. So this is inside the box here. Let's open it up, and I'm going to pull it out sideways. So there are two packs. Inside the box is another pack, and then here is the glass. So let's first take a look what's included in your pack. So this is the guide for the glass, and here's some information: limited life warranty, some pamphlets about the glass itself. There is some instructions in here how you can install it. It's quite a lot of instruction in here. And here is a screen protector cleaning cloth, plus other rags and adhesive absorber. And this piece here is used to help you install the tempered glass. And here you got some strips that's covering some parts around your phone. So we're going to need to use it later on. And you got the handle sticker right here. And then this is the frame that helps you hold down the phone during the installation process. So we're going to need this later on. And there is two adhesive. You only need to use one adhesive tube. The other one is used as a backup. So in case something goes wrong, you can clean it up, and then you can use the backup glue to reinstall your glass. So you have two chances here. And this is the bridge that's holding down the phone and allow you to put the glue in here to drip all the glue out onto the glass. So this is the screen protector itself. So let's pull it out and have a look at the screen protector. So with this screen protector, there is a little bit of curve on the side here. So some curve over here and some curve on this side, and that would sit on top of the phone. So this phone here comes with a screen protector, which I have already removed because they are not very good. And here you can just put this tempered glass right on top of the phone. This is what it looks like when it's go on top of the phone, right here. So for now, I'm just gonna put it back because I don't want to damage it. So we're gonna do an installation videos next. So I'm just gonna put the tempered glass back in here, and we're going to have a look at the other box. Here it is. So this is the box here, and inside this box is a UV light that helps to cure the glue. So here is it. So once you're finished, you just put this UV light across your phone like this, and that will help to cure the adhesive between the glass and the phone. It's also come with a USB cables as well. So it comes with this USB cable in here as well that you can use. So that is everything inside the box there. So if you're missing certain pieces, then make sure that you have everything to help you a successful installation of the tempered glass for your new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.